The Georgia Aquarium showcases some of the most magnificent creatures that call the ocean home, from the largest fish in the world to some of the smallest, to some of the most intriguing. The Georgia Aquarium inspires wonder, interest, and most importantly, sparks curiosity in young minds. The Georgia Aquarium is not just an exhibition of amazing animals. Behind the scenes, biologists are conducting groundbreaking research about these animals. A portion of this research is in genetics, looking for insights into the genetic blueprints of these organisms. This research provides information on gene expression, hereditary diseases, and genetic ancestry. Biologists currently use domain-specific visualizations to make sense of this data. These are highly analytic tools. However, they are not suitable for the general public, let alone a middle school student. Our team set out to provide young scientists with a window into this ongoing research at the Georgia Aquarium. We designed a tool they could understand, yet would still allow them to explore genetic data and draw insights about these organisms. We present to you GeneDive. GeneDive allows users to interpret genome data. The species presented can all be found in the aquarium. Instead of using the entire genome, we use mitochondrial genomes as our data set, because they are manageable yet still unique for each organism. Users can select and compare organisms, explore gene sequences, and learn more about each species. The phylogram tree displays the evolutionary ancestry of all the organisms available for exploration in GeneDive. Each node indicates an organism, and a divergent branch indicates the evolutionary distance from the previous node. As you can see, the whale shark is closely related with other sharks. Humans are closely related to the only other mammal, the harbor seal. The radial view allows users to view each organism's genome. In order to add to the radial view, select a species from the drop-down. The radial visualization displays the entire mitochondrial genome of each species in a circular sector. Each bar represents a gene. The length of the bar represents the gene's nucleotide length. The bars are ordered in sequential order. Each link represents a genetic similarity between the genes of differing species. Exploration is empowered through the interaction with this viz. Hovering over a gene reveals the connected genes. Clicking on that gene displays a comparison of the similar genes at the nucleotide level. Let's take a further look at the ATP6 gene, which we can see is shared by all species. Each gene sequence is displayed in a separate row. Genetic differences are highlighted using a darker shading. As you can see, all 4 genes do not have many nucleotides in common. A further investigation reveals that the harbor seal and human ATP6 gene share similar sequences. Also, as expected, the whale shark and black-tipped reef shark share similarities. You can continue to explore the comparison by zooming and panning through the visualization. If you want to view a gene by itself, double-clicking on the gene in the radial map allows exploration of a single gene. We also provide a local wiki with information links to the particular term and species displayed in our tool.